Guys, look, the freaking lights are blinking! Sign. What does it mean? Now we're going to the library. So, I told my mom when we just got like finished going to like some apartments to go deliver some papers. I said you come out here often. But it was like terribly raining. She was like everything's raining and stuff like that. And this is that boy bird. Mom, I said it again. Okay, say the other thing. Oh, wait, Mom, move your hand. Move your hand. What the heck? I said, move your hand. Move your arm. Okay, I said, Mom, why are you so juicy? Wait, no. I said, yeah. I said, my wife's so jiggly, and she said this.
Because I'm juicy.
She said, because she's juicy. On my last video when I said that Mr. What's his name? Guys, if you want to hear what I said in the other video, go to my other video and check in the description of it. And so yeah, Mom, that's what I said in the last video in the video description. Right now it is
Revulsion.
Shh, don't say it. Right now it's 6:59.
Move, come on.
They're too close. They catch me rolling. They catch me rolling. Seared, patrolling, touch me under it, take me under it. I'll put on the song. Listen to the song. Yeah. Young, Coley, and proud. 2 steps to the left, 2 steps, hops to the right, 2 hops, take it back. What's it called? Young, Coley, and proud, boy. 2 steps, 2 hops. Take it back. What's it called? Young, Coley, and proud, boy. White Vans with a fresh pair of J's on. And now, it don't take long. Fresh about the rapper. Look at me, I'm brand new. What has been new? I messed up. This thing flipped. I did that like I was taller. And that's all you guys need to hear from that song. I love that song. 2 steps to the left, 2 steps, 2 hops to the right, hops, 2. Take it back. What's it called? Young, Coley, and proud, boy. White band with a fresh pair of J's on. Say that now. It don't take long. Fresh about the rapper. Look at me, I'm brand new. Damn. And yo, I don't drink it, but they be like, "Hey boy, you lame." No, I need to hear the rest. Hey boy, you lame. You know, there's a temple bringing honor to his name. You know, but there won't be no audition. 2 steps. 2 hops. Take it back. What's it called? Your homeland proud, boy. About it. Because I'm trying to live a long life. Maybe want a contract, better think twice. What he said? I said born for grace. Yep. And the strength of the Samson, the heart of David. Still ain't nothing to play with 2 steps. 2 hops to the right, 2. Take it back. What's it called? Coley and Proud. A young Coley and Proud. That song is actually 2 minutes 42 seconds. It's by Change. His name is Change. Hello world, my name is Change. Spelled with a 3. You can take the E out. Not my show means all Christ and taking me out. Been married now. My father business been married Christ in case you been married now about 3 years. I never stepped out on my missus. I'm young, holy, and proud. Love it. Don't drink and don't smoke either. I don't do nothing contrary to this holy book that I believe in. I'm never gonna join. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. If I can, then I won't go. And you lie down and on this floor and on that sea and on that coast, and on this town and on this floor. Yeah. Hey, pardon me, you think you stopping me? I don't even think that is real. Got too much out of me, you cause you got it. I mean, all you little folks to get killed. Got too many fights with lions. I'm doing my time. You think I'm crazy? You ain't hold me. You can't stop me like God and Kobe.
Don't turn it up.
I was gonna turn up on 9. But he just called me an idiot.
No, I said we're in a neighborhood.
I was gonna turn up on 9.
No, you're not. Not when I'm in a neighborhood, you're not. Come on, you need to move that out my way.
Hey guys, look at this. It's a big lake, but that's somebody's yard. Thought they knew, or they thought they knew, all that I've been through, all I've been through. Thought they knew. It's sunny. It looks like it. Whoa, hold on. That house. But hold on, I gotta show you a big house. No, not this one. I call this my house. Look how good that looks. But that one, now that's a big A house. I keep doing this one because I got this thing around my neck. This thing around my hands. It keeps my knuckles together. So when I swing to be in like in a fight, and it's not me just zooming in on it. This is a big house. Okay, guys. Dang. Like, look at it. That's a big house. Like, very big. Wow. No, on this one. Slowly, mama. Big house. What do you say about the house, Ma?
Nice. My dream home.
Mama said, nice, my dream home. But I thought your dream home is your mansion that you get in heaven.
Yeah. My dream home on earth.
Yeah, that's my mom's phone. She got roses. Roses. Thought they knew all that I've been through. I'm not. White bands with a fresh pair of J's on.
That's your booty, boy.
No, it's not. What the heck? Stop. Hey.
Oh my God. I said it was I said it was pure T-ass. Pure T-ass. That's all.
another big puddle. Ma, you know what that is down there?
What?
No.
Kids be over there.
No, Ma, I actually know what that is over there. Whoa, look at the field. Look at the freaking football field.
Man, at night you can't even see that. Oh, that look pitch black.
Oh, dang.
But
Flooding.
the person that live in that house, they got front row seats. They ain't got to never go over there. That house right there.
That house over there, they got front row seats. So. Ma, I didn't say that.
Boy, your booty stank. I sit on tail. That's all I smell. That's all I smell. But
I didn't say that. I didn't say
Ass.
nothing stink.
yes, you did.
No,
She said, what's that smell? Go ahead, man. We eating donuts. What smell you talking about?
Because I didn't smell nothing.
Crack a laughing boy.
I didn't even. Ma, okay, let's just stop talking about this subject. Okay, I know, no, it's just, we're recording. Okay, just down there. And then we just make a quick right. Then 7, right, Ma. No. Then we go to 7-Eleven. I'm gonna pause the video here, and I'll resume it when we get back. I mean, when we go there.